All right, now we're going to go over, a lot of people ask me, instead of going in and deleting an icon, each icon individually, how do you do multi-delete? Which is a very good question. So we're going to go back up to your overlays manager, which is the three papers stacked on top of each other. We're going to open it up. And now I know from the last lesson I did that a lot of these were in the markers. So I'm going to come down in the markers. And then I'm going to hit markers again. And once again, I'm going to hit the friendly markers. Now I'm going to go to the air platforms. And what I'm going to do there is I'm going to hit the 4 check boxes, multi-delete. I'm going to check those. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to check that one. And then I want to find my spot map, and I'm going to select all those. And then I'm going to find my mission one, which I know is where I put my sensor, and I'm going to hit that. And I'm just going to hit delete. And so what that does is that just deleted everything we did, but at one fell swoop, instead of going through individually on each one and deleting them. And that's pretty much it. That's as simple as it is.